Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at one of the most versatile and powerful hybrid cameras on the market, the Sony A7 IV, bundled with the 28 to 70mm zoom lens kit. If you're someone who wants professional level photography and cinematic video performance in a single body, this camera is built exactly for creators, filmmakers, and advanced enthusiasts who want their work to stand out. The Sony A7 IV features a 33-megapixel full-frame Exmor R sensor, delivering incredible detail, sharp dynamic range, and low-light performance that easily outshines many cameras in its class. Photos come out crisp with rich color reproduction, and the camera handles high ISO conditions with impressive clarity, making it perfect for weddings, portraits, landscapes, travel work, and content creation. One of the standout improvements is Sony's new BIONZ XR processor. It delivers lightning-fast autofocus, clean image rendering, better noise control, and significantly reduced lag. The autofocus system is one of the best in the world, offering real-time IAF for humans, animals, and birds. It tracks subjects effortlessly, even during fast movement, making this a game-changer for sports, wildlife, and street photography. For video shooters, the A7 IV records up to 4K 60p with full-frame oversampling, giving you sharper footage with cinematic detail. You also get 10-bit 4:2:2 color, S-Log3, and S-Cinetone profiles that elevate your creative flexibility. Whether you're making YouTube content, documentaries, or commercial projects, the A7 IV gives you editing room that rivals cinema-grade cameras. The included 28 to 70mm lens is great for everyday shooting, wide enough for landscapes and tight enough for portraits. While it's a starter lens, it pairs well with the camera for clean, reliable results straight out of the box. You get improved ergonomics, a fully articulating touchscreen, dual card slots, better heat management, and advanced stabilization that keeps both photos and videos steady. The A7 IV integrates beautifully with professional workflows while staying lightweight enough for handheld use. If you want a camera that gives you premium still photography, cinematic video, top-tier autofocus, and reliability for years, the Sony A7 IV with the 28 to 70mm kit lens is one of the best hybrid options available today. Check the link below, grab yours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more camera gear reviews.